So, so you thought you might come here and this old man of yours might have something to say that makes a bit of difference in your day. I think sometimes the world might be a better place if everyone looked into the face before them and saw the egg they came from, and the sperm was just as good as their own. I don't want to pretend I got a soul no more. Just a man like any other, wondering how he stumbled on to this world in a time I can't remember, but I can't shake for the life of me either. And all those others who wound theirs around mine, and an infinite guitar string that just keeps going on, unwinding on one end and coming back together on the other. Ain't got more nor less to say than any other one. It's been hard, it's been easy, it's been filled with a mysterious wonder that something exists beyond me, the face and likes of which I'll never meet again. When happiness comes to me, the words in the center of my mind flaring out like dawn itself for thank you. Thank you for bringing me into a world where so much comes without question, where so much is showered upon us, and the fact that we can never be alone. I've embraced that before and found it left me wanting somebody else's arms around me. Kiss the loved ones, cherish the ones you don't know, and welcome in all those in between. Somewhere out past tomorrow, there's someone or everyone who knows why we came here. I'm convinced of that, you might say, 'cause I've felt the unwinding within, and knew it neither begun nor ends with me. Just a matter of setting it free and passing it on, walking through life as if you're showering the world with rose petals at a wedding that never ends. I don't got love inside me anymore. It's everywhere I touch, sit, or stand. For you, for me, for everyone to be free of any ideas they began in the first